Gardening vocabulary. Plant. This plant is very green. Garden. I work in the garden. Gardening. Gardening is my hobby. Soil. The soil is fertile. Seed. I planted a seed. Seedling. The seedling is small. Root. The root is under the soil. Stem. The stem is strong. Leaf. This leaf is fresh. Flower. The flower is beautiful. Bud. The bud will bloom soon. Fruit. This fruit is sweet. Vegetable. I eat vegetables daily. Tree. The tree gives shade. Grass. The grass is green. Weed. Remove the weeds. Water. Water the plants. Sunlight. Plants need sunlight. Shade. This plant likes shade. Compost. Compost improves soil. Fertilizer. Use fertilizer carefully. Dig. Dig the soil. Plant, verb. Plant the flowers. Grow. Plants grow fast. Harvest. We harvest crops. Tool. This tool is useful. Shovel. I use a shovel. Rake. Use the rake. Hoe. The hoe is sharp. Watering can. Fill the watering can. Hose. The hose is long. Pest. Pests damage plants. Insect. This insect is harmful. Healthy. The plant is healthy. Organic. I like organic food. Soil test. Do a soil test. Rain. Rain helps plants. Season. Spring is a good season. Spring. Flowers bloom in spring. Summer. Summer is hot. Winter. Winter is cold. Climate. Climate affects plants. Prune. Prune the tree. Watering. Watering is important. Weed verb. Weed the garden. Pot. Put the plant in a pot. Nursery. Plants grow in a nursery. Greenhouse. The greenhouse is warm. Pest control. Pest control is necessary. Growth. Growth is slow in winter.